Good morning. Don't forget to share, like, comment, and subscribe my channel, and also click the notification. So I'm still here in school because it's raining, and then that's what it's just I have a lot of cracks, and then there's this one is the second floor, and then around I think yes around 11:30 it's like shaking, and then we are inside the computer lab because just like we have something we need to connect because we need to have something to do in our activities in school. And then oh my goodness, like we want to run, but sir just like animal told us to relax, and then we need to wait my papa because we are under signal number 1 because of the typhoon. See, it's raining, and I can't let the rain let me like thinking about the rain or have a little drop of the rain because I gonna be have 3 days fever after that, no, so that I need to be careful about my health and about my eyes. No, see, there's something on here. And then I already have an eye drop, and this first week of December I gonna use that one because this is pre-order because I just like add something on it so that I can wear that one anytime, and I can just like take off when I'm go to sleep. So don't forget to share, like, comment, and subscribe.